the problem of insecurity in Nigeria is huge, and people that are benefiting from it, directly or indirectly, it go hard for them to allow it to end. For instance, maybe out of these 7 million naira now, maybe the real guys where this person goes submit money to, maybe now one, and they collect there. Maybe the remaining 6 million, they know how to share it. They get the information to know how much they pay. Security guys may even get bigger part of the share. So how can you fight that kind of situation? How can you fight it? So the situation appear helpless until we get genuine guys that really mean business. I will still repeat what I always talk about. When you are having issues and there's no scapegoat, identify bad eggs, use them as scapegoats so that others go learn from it. Everybody go see her as business as usual. And are waiting with the battle right now. We are seeing this case because it don't go to the media right now. Maybe thousands of these cases happen just yesterday. We will not hear anything about them.